rap circles around. I'm the next best to reach a peak, formerly known as the best kept secret. I guess that I just leaked it. I'm the verbal spit, Smith Wesson. I unload with 6 spit, the quick wit to split a split second. A bomb with a lit wick expression. You hear it tick